Finding cheap flights can make a significant difference in your travel budget, allowing you to spend more on experiences and less on transportation. Here's a comprehensive video to help you score the best flight deals. Use flight comparison websites. Flight comparison websites like Skyscanner and Kayak are essential tools for modern travelers. These platforms aggregate fares from multiple airlines, allowing you to compare prices easily. With features like price alerts and flexible date searches, these tools notify you when fares drop and highlight the cheapest days to fly. Skyscanner also offers user reviews and a comprehensive guide to booking flights, making it a valuable resource for both novice and experienced travelers. Kayak provides similar functionalities, including a hacker fare option that combines two one-way tickets on different airlines to save money. Both websites allow you to filter results by the number of stops, airlines, and departure times, giving you more control over your travel plans. Book in advance. Booking your flights well in advance can save you a significant amount of money. According to travel experts, securing your tickets 11 months or more before your trip can yield the best deals. Thrifty Traveler highlights that early bookings can lead to impressive savings, such as round-trip flights to Europe for as low as 38,000 miles with American Airlines. This strategy is particularly effective for international travel, where early planning can mitigate high demand and price surges. In general, the best time to book domestic flights is between 1 and 3 months in advance, while international flights should be booked between 2 and 8 months ahead of time. Moreover, some airlines and booking platforms offer price prediction tools that advise you on the optimal time to purchase tickets. These tools analyze historical data and current trends to forecast future prices, ensuring you book at the lowest possible rate. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flexibility is key to finding cheap flights. If you could travel midweek instead of over the weekend, you might find significantly lower fares. Expedia's Fare Calendar is a useful tool that highlights the best prices within a given month, making it easier to choose the most cost-effective travel dates. Additionally, being open to flying during off-peak hours can further reduce costs, as early morning and late-night flights are often cheaper than those in the middle of the day. Furthermore, consider traveling during shoulder seasons, the periods just before or after peak travel times. These times offer fewer crowds and lower prices while still providing favorable weather conditions. For example, traveling to Europe in late spring or early autumn can be more affordable than during the summer. Utilize airline miles and points. Maximize your savings by using airline miles and points. Frequent flyer programs and credit card rewards can significantly offset travel costs. For instance, American Airlines offers flights to Mexico, the Caribbean, and Central America for just 10,000 miles round trip. Similarly, Delta SkyMiles can be used for destinations like Tahiti for as few as 50,000 miles round trip from the West Coast. Keeping track of your points and using them strategically can lead to substantial savings on airfare. Credit cards with travel rewards, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the American Express Gold Card, can also help you accumulate points that can be transferred to various airline loyalty programs. Additionally, consider signing up for airline credit cards that offer sign-up bonuses. These bonuses can often provide enough miles for a free flight after meeting minimum spending requirements. Some cards also offer benefits like free checked bags, priority boarding, and airport lounge access. Look for Airfares and flash sales. Airfares and flash sales can offer some of the best deals if you're quick enough to book them. These rare deals occur due to pricing mistakes or limited time promotions, and can result in significantly discounted flights to popular destinations. Websites like Thrifty Traveler Premium and Secret Flying send alerts for these deals, allowing subscribers to book quickly before the prices are corrected. Being vigilant and ready to book at a moment's notice can lead to incredible savings. Following travel deal websites and social media accounts dedicated to flight deals can also help you stay informed about these opportunities. In addition, signing up for airline newsletters can alert you to exclusive sales and promotions not available to the general public. Airlines often send out special offers to their email subscribers, giving you a head start on booking the best deals. Consider alternative airports. Flying into or out of alternative airports can sometimes save you money. Major cities often have multiple airports, and choosing a less busy one can result in cheaper fares. For example, instead of flying directly into a major city like New York, consider nearby airports like Newark or LaGuardia, which might offer lower prices. This strategy can be especially useful in regions with multiple airports in close proximity. providing more options for finding the best deals. In Europe, flying into secondary airports like London Gatwick instead of Heathrow or Rome Ciampino instead of Fiumicino can save a significant amount. Additionally, consider booking separate legs of your journey independently. Sometimes, flying into a major hub and then booking a separate flight to your final destination can be cheaper than booking a direct flight. This tactic requires careful planning and consideration of potential delays, but it can lead to substantial savings. Use incognito mode when searching. Airlines and travel websites can track your search history and potentially increase prices based on your search activity. Using an incognito or private browsing mode can help avoid this issue, ensuring you see the lowest possible prices. This technique prevents sites from using cookies to track your searches and adjusting prices accordingly, which can be particularly useful when checking fares multiple times. Clearing your browser cookies or using a different device can also help achieve the same result. Sign up for newsletters and alerts. Many airlines and travel deal websites offer newsletters and alerts that notify subscribers of special deals and discounts. Signing up for these can give you a head start on booking limited-time offers before they sell out. Websites like Expedia and Skyscanner provide regular updates on flight deals, helping you stay informed about the latest promotions. This proactive approach can lead to significant savings and access to exclusive deals. Additionally, following airlines and travel deal websites on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook can provide real-time updates on flash sales and special promotions. Many airlines use their social media channels to announce deals, sometimes even before they are posted on their websites. Check for discounts and promotions. Always check if there are any available discounts or promotions. Various groups, including students, military personnel, and senior citizens, often qualify for special fares. Additionally, some credit card companies offer travel-related discounts or points multipliers, which can further reduce the cost of your flights. Exploring these options and taking advantage of eligible discounts can lead to substantial savings on airfare. For instance, student travel agencies like Student Travel Australia Travel offer exclusive discounts for students and young travelers on flights, accommodations, and tours. Furthermore, joining airline loyalty programs can provide access to member-only sales and promotions. These programs often reward loyal customers with discounted fares, free upgrades, and other perks, making it worthwhile to enroll and accumulate miles even if you don't fly frequently. Book round-trip and multi-city flights. Round-trip and multi-city flights can sometimes be cheaper than booking one-way tickets separately. Comparing the costs of different ticket types can reveal surprising savings. For instance, booking a multi-city flight that includes several destinations can often be more economical than purchasing individual legs of the journey. This strategy is particularly useful for travelers planning extensive trips with multiple stops. Tools like Google Flights and Expedia allow you to easily search and compare prices for multi-city itineraries. In addition, consider booking open-jaw flights, which involve flying into one city and out of another. This can be a cost-effective way to explore multiple destinations without backtracking, and it often results in cheaper fares compared to booking separate round-trip flights. That's all for today's video. I hope these tips help you score the best deals on your next flight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel hacks and budget-friendly tips. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.